Um, I'm going to finish the problem that I was doing. So this is Eggspert review, and this is the last few of those questions. So it says after day 5, he has 31 apples. After day 9, he has 59 apples. So I've set up a table, and I'm finding the slope. 59 minus 31 is 28. And then we're going to do 28, divide the 4. So 28 divided by 4 is 7. So we know that every day they're eating 7 apples, or picking 7 apples. So we want to know how many apples did they start with. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know on day 5 they had 31 apples that they picked. So if we know it's going up by 7 apples, we can decrease that. So we could go the other way. So if we're going backwards, we're going to take 7 away. So 31 take away 7 is 24. And then take away 7 is 17. And then 10. And then 3. So to begin, Macintosh was picking 3 apples every day. So this is the same problem. We know now that they started with 3, because this was the problem we just did. But now there's a new question added on. When will he have more than 120 apples? So we know that they started with 3, and we know from previous work that they are picking 7 apples every day, or our slope is 7. So it's plus 7 and minus 1. So I can plug in numbers in for n and see what'll get me more than 120 apples. Or I can take day 9, which is 59, and I can just keep adding 7 to that number. So that would be day 10, 11, and I could just keep going until I get more than 120, and then figure out what day that is. So if that's not adding 7. So if I actually add 7, that would be 66. Add 7, which would be 73, 80, 87, and so on. And you can keep going until you get just barely more than 120. If you do that, you are going to end up with 18 days. So I didn't have much further to go. But with this 18, if you were to plug in 18 in there, and then, so that's going to be 120 something apples. If I figure it out, let's see, we've got 3 plus 7, 18 minus 1 is 17. 17 times 7, let's see, 49, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then plus 3 more. So that would be 122 apples. So it's just barely more than 120 is 18 days. And then the last one, arithmetic or geometric. Well, it's not increasing or decreasing very fast. So I'm going to think it's arithmetic. And the numbers are going down, so I'm thinking it's subtracting. So 150 or 652 to 648, that's going down 4, and then down 4, and then down 4. So I know that it is arithmetic. Recursive form of that, Fn equals Fn take away 1. That's the previous number. So what do I do to the one before to get the next one? Well, I take 4 away. Fn, the first term, 652. It's going down 4. That's our slope. And then n take away 1. Find the 100th term of the sequence. So I'd plug in 100 for n, and in that case, I have to check what I wrote under here. If we plug in 100, we're going to get 256. And that is our answer. Hopefully you review before the test. Good luck!